all, welcome back to my channel.
It's spring, like everything is new. The sunburst flowers calling on warm days overdue. But I like everything is new.
If you're new to this channel, I am Aprupa Pedinti and I would love to see if you hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to subscribe if you're watching till here because we are close to 400 and I am screaming to reach there because it's a very important goal and I would love to reach and celebrate with you all the 400 subscribers mark. Yeah, so this is the look which I created today and I'm super duper proud of myself. Naki look chala nachindi. It has a hint of pop of green and then it has a neutral colors going on. And all these products are below 250 or maximum 200 ఉన్నాయి ఒకటి రెండు 250 కింద ఉన్నాయి. So all these like this look is created with every product under 250 rupees and yeah, it is beginner friendly makeup routine and this I really wanted to make because it would be helpful for many of the girls out there going to college and into makeup and who are beginners and really want to try out. So I have discussed every pro, every con and every mini review of the products I've used in this video. And yeah, if you would love to see how I got this look, let's jump into the video. So the first step is definitely moisturizing and మీరు నన్ను చూస్తున్నారు I have constantly been using the Nivea moisturizer. దీనికి ముందు I used to use the Lakme Peach Milk and even that was so good. So you can try. I'll even give you alternatives for each product. So that మీకు ఈ product available గా లేకపోతే you can just check the alternative product. The first thing I'm using for the moisturizer is this one. It's the Nivea Aloe Hydration Moisturizer. I guess that's, yeah, Aloe Hydration Cream. So what I'm doing nowadays, this is a practice I've been doing lately from, past 1 month or so. So I'm using 2 moisturizers, a sunscreen and then applying it on my skin directly. And 2 different steps kakunda okate dantlo I'm just clumping them. So the second moisturizer which I'll be using is the Garnier Light Complete. Now e cream gunchi okati entante I already talked about this in my previous video, you can check it out. It's a bit drying cream, like it doesn't give the juicy hydration effect, but in Nivea cream chala hydrating untundi. This is for 50 rupees and this is for 140 rupees. So dono, this is below 100 here and this is below 200, so it's on the budget. So now the next thing I want to talk about is the sunscreen. Normally I used to use the Lakme sunscreen and it was so good, and even the Lotus are rendu chala baguntayi. I really like them, but I don't remember the price. But the current sunscreen which I'm using because I don't have them, they ran out, like I ran out of them. The product is over. For time being I'm using this one. This is the VLCC sunscreen anti-tan and it has a SPF of 25. మీరు ఏ sunscreen వాడినా minimum 25 ఉండాలి and you can use till 50 if you are a person who goes out very much, so keep that in mind. So yeah, this is a combo pack, rendu kalpi 300 kostayi. So it's if you want to see the price of one, it is 150. So yeah, it's under budget and let me just quickly apply and we'll talk about the next product. So na sunscreen moisturizers I'm apply chesukuna. I'm not a very big fan of this sunscreen, but yeah, it does a job, so I'm glad with that. So the next thing I'll be using is the under eye cream. As you know, I'm currently using this Wadi under eye cream. So this cream is available both on Amazon, Flipkart and even Nykaa, I guess. Yeah, so idi kuda price it comes in 2 pack, like a pack of 2, and yeah, it is 180 for 2, I guess. So it's quite budget friendly and it does a super amazing job. Trust me when I say that, it is just amazing. So the next thing నేను యూస్ చేసేది ఏంటి obviously a beauty blender. So this is the one which I'm using right now. This is a normal beauty blender. It's actually in Hyderabad lo unnappudu konna. I was so new to makeup then, but I really wanted to use one, so I did buy it. It was like 400 or something, and the చాలా నీట్గా బ్లెండ్ చేస్తుంది, బట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ లాంగ్ లాస్టింగ్. ఇఫ్ యూ కెన్ సీ ఇట్ హ్యాస్ సమ్ మార్క్స్ ఆన్ ఇట్, లైక్ మార్క్స్ అంటే నొక్కిపోయింది. సో ఐఎమ్ ప్లానింగ్ టు బై అ న్యూ బ్యూటీ బ్లెండర్, and that is from the company Calabar. It is very cheap. It's for 180 I guess. So because I am at my medium stages of makeup, I am planning to buy that one, and I have heard a lot about it and it's amazing. You can buy that if you want. This is good but not itna good. So the next step is obviously a foundation or CC cream. Now if you're a person who wants really everyday natural and very light coverage base, you can obviously go for a CC cream. This is the one I've been using. This is the Lakme 925 CC complexion cream. దీనికి వేరే షేడ్స్ ఉంటాయి, అండ్ మైన్ ఇస్ బేజ్ 01. దీంట్లో యాడెడ్ SPF 30 కూడా ఉంది, which is a good thing. So if you want a CC cream, not a foundation, you can definitely go for this. And this is just for 99 rupees. The big one is I guess for 180 or something. Dono are under the budget. And if you are a person who wants little bit of more coverage, like medium coverage, not so high, then you can definitely go for a foundation. And the foundation I'm using today is the Lakme Perfecting Liquid Foundation. So this is the product I'm using. This retails for 155 rupees normally MRP. On online you can definitely get it for 130. The alternatives for this foundation, you can use there is Lakme only 925 perfect foundation okutundi. It's so good. It's really nice. You can check it out. Another one is definitely the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I've heard a lot about it. You can see the pictures. If you're planning to buy a good branded one, just go for it. Go for the Maybelline one. It's amazing. I've seen lot of reviews. I'm gonna buy that or the bada wala Maybelline, which is 345. But what I'm talking is for 250 I guess. You can check it out. Now let's quickly apply the foundation. I've took it, and don't forget your neck area and every part of your makeup. So foundation అయిపోయింది, అప్లై చేసేసుకున్నాం. You can see it's a very light to medium coverage. మీరు బ్లెండ్ చేసేటప్పుడు ఇక్కడ కూడా బ్లెండ్ చేయడం మర్చిపోదు. సో నెక్స్ట్ ఐమ్ గోనా క్విక్లీ యూజ్ మై lip balm, which I definitely use ghee. If you have been following, you know me. So the next step is definitely నేను ఎక్కువగా చేసేది is baking my under eye. Now I skipped the concealer part because నేను concealer ఎప్పుడు యూజ్ చేయను కూడా. For in future maybe I will definitely invest in one and use, because I thought this is an everyday beginner look. Maybe it's not so apt, and I didn't even think of trying out a new product. But if you are searching for one concealer which is in a budget of below 200 or 200, Swiss Beauty concealer is something which I've heard a lot, and many of my friends use it, and it's so nice. It gives you a medium coverage, and you can definitely check it out. Adi kakunda there's Maybelline, but that's like 400 or something. If you want, you can buy it. So the next product which we're gonna use in this routine is definitely loose powder to bake my under eyes and my T-zone, because I'm not using the concealer. So the loose powder which I'm gonna use today is this Lakme Rose Powder. So there are two shades untai, and my shade is 01 Soft Pink, and it retails normally for 160, but on any online website you will get it for 150 or 140. Now ilanti loose powders they are quite very expensive. Like they start from 500 until what I saw, but this is so good. It gives that blended look after taking out the loose powder, and it does its job good. It's not a very excellent product, but yeah, it does a job. And if you're a beginner, you can definitely check this out in a budget. So yeah, let me just bake my under eyes, and we'll go to the next step. Now comes the next tip is a very amazing part of the routine is eyeshadow. I love making new eye looks, new recreate things. And so నేను first ఎప్పుడైతే స్టార్ట్ చేసానో ఐ లుక్స్ చేయడం, I had one palette which my Pinny bought it for me like so long back. It's from the Ulta Beauty. It's foreign brand, and I guess it's not available in India. It's like Target, Ulta, those stores there, and you can get like makeup there. So after that, and ఎప్పుడైతే makeup start చేసి, when I really wanted to try out something, I wanted to buy a palette which has more number of colors yet at a very reasonable price, because then I was sure if I could do it or not, and I really wanted to test it. Now I've done a lot of research, and online Amazon, Flipkart lo chala brands chusa, chala reviews chusa, and there are brands like Swiss Beauty and Nika K Ruda, I guess that's the brand name, and LA Girl, yeah. LA Colors, I guess, yeah. So ilanti 3-4 brands unnai which were at a reasonable price, but the palette was so small and it had only 4 to 6 colors. But naku, I wanted a palette with a little bit more colors, and I was not so much particular of the brand. So ala search chesinapudu I found this palette. This is the Morphe Jaclyn Hill dupe palette. This is a dupe palette. This is not an original palette. So if you can see, it has a sheet and we can remove it, and you can see the amount of colors it has. It is insane, and the pigmentation is amazing. The texture is so smooth, it's creamy, it's nice, it's the right amount. But one thing is followed definitely. This was for 250, but I really wanted to talk about this palette in this video because it's 200 anano, and it's a little bit aspasi. So I really wanted to talk about this palette. If you're a beginner and really want to have a palette with many colors, have a good texture, and takku price kalante, you can definitely check this palette out. It's not a branded, it's a first quality, like first copy of the palette. It's a dupe, but when I tell you it's really good, it is really good. And yeah, there's a fallout, there's definitely fallout. మీరు అన్ని కావాలంటే అవ్వదు కదా, you have to bear the fallout, and that's the reason I do this baking, so that ఎప్పుడైతే fallout పడుతుందో ఈ బేక్ తీసినప్పుడు ఆ fallout కూడా పోతుంది. So that's not an issue. If you want to check, you can definitely see this because it has a lot of colors, and I love playing with colors. And if you want something of a good brand, you can definitely check out the Swiss Beauty or the Nika K Rhoda and the LA Colors palettes. These 3 are good brands and have 4 shades only, and they retail for 230 or something. So next I have the makeup brushes which I use. I've got this in this package, in this it's kind of a polythene, but it has I don't know what's this, I don't know, some cloth kind. So దీనికి ఒక ziplock కూడా ఉంది. Again, I really didn't want to invest in very good things which are at a high price, because I was initially starting out things, and I found this one brush set. It is of 12 brushes, and this was even for 270, but even it's 70 rupees more than 200, I really wanted to include, because everyone makeup starts in Ankunta, you can definitely check this. And మీరు ఇలా మేకప్ చేసే కొద్ది you can definitely invest in good brands and buy high-end products and stuff like that. But when you're a beginner, try to check out the reviews, the quality, and then invest, instead of just bragging about the brands and just buying them. So ఇది 12 brushes కాదు, 10 brushes, I was mistaken. So I have these 4 brushes. Okay, so they're not cleaned. Okay, I'm just using them. I clean them after every 2 looks. So 5 eyeshadow and kind of brushes on time, and then we have 5 of these brushes. We have 5 of these brushes. We have the contour, highlighter, blush, and foundation, every brush, and the eyeshadow brushes. So it's a steal deal for this price. The bristles are very smooth. I'll just show you. For this, you can see they are very smooth, and they just go like so well on your skin. So it's a very great product at this price. So if I look, I'm more focused on the eyeliner than the eyeshadow. So I'll just take a transition shade and blend it in, and then I'll quickly move to the eyeliner. Yeah, so I'm thinking of using this shade together, or this together. Let me see. Yeah, so in transition shade of iron, it's a mix of a little bit orange and a warm brown color. Now we'll move to the eyeliner. So eyeliner lo definite ga below the budget of 200, the best eyeliner which you can trust on for a beginner is the Lakme eyeliner Insta Liner. So I have today in the green color. దీంట్లో బ్లూ ఉంది, ఇట్స్ పాప్ బ్లూ, ఇట్స్ అ వెరీ పాపింగ్ కలర్ బ్లూ, అది చాలా బాగుంటుంది, అండ్ బ్లాక్. So I have the black and green both in this. This is one product, you can check it out and it's amazing. It retails for 120 rupees. If you want to check out an eyeliner other than the Lakme under what is that, 200. Now there are quite, I think Swiss Beauty even has one, but I do not want to repeat the brand ala. Now I guess many of the college girls and school girls will be familiar with this. This is the Dazzler eyeliner. If you can see, this is the Dazzler eyeliner. Now this is just for 40 rupees. It's a very cheap brand. It's a very cheap brand, and I guess South Indian ammal baga familiar ga untundi. This is the ITEX Dazzler. Now this has a very good thick jet black color, and it is of good consistency, but the only problem I have with this is, one, it's not waterproof. Second is the tip is so small. You can't just make it work and easy to glide and the chance in it, because the tip is very small. But if you can make it work for your daily basis, you can use this, or else the Lakme is the best option, and it is semi waterproof. The Lakme one, it is semi waterproof. So I'll be using both of this to show you how it goes. And yeah, this is for 40, this is for 120. So yeah, now Deen Pine I'll use the Lakme green, but until it dries, we'll just quickly move to the contour, blush and highlighter. Contour, blush and highlighter point, I wanted to really let you know one product. My girls, it's a savior. So I've recently come across the Sugar contour 3-in-1 palette, which my brother gifted me actually. So this is the palette. If you can see, this retails for 7.99, but the reason it is in this video is because it has all of the three. You can see it has the contour, the highlighter and the blush, and they are very much pigmented. For 7.99, and if you divide all these three instead of buying single things, they'll definitely come at to 66 or something. So if you add on together, it's definitely a very affordable price. If you want to invest in one good palette for all of these, definitely this is the one. This palette comes in 2 or 3 shades, I guess, and mine is a 01 Subtle Summit. So you can check it out. All the links will be in the description box. ఒకవేళ మీరు బేకింగ్ చేసి మీకు ఇంకా కాంపాక్ట్ అక్కర్లేదు అనిపిస్తే యూ కెన్ స్కిప్ ఇట్. బట్ ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ అ కాంపాక్ట్ పౌడర్, even though you're not satisfied with the loose powder, the one which I'm using right now is the Miniso Queen Collection Compact Powder. This is in the shade 02 Natural Nude. This comes at a price of 200 exactly, I guess, or 190. We'll move to the eyeliner. So I'll just use this eyeliner and show you guys how it is. మనం ఆల్మోస్ట్ ఎండ్కి వచ్చాం. సో ద లాస్ట్ సెకండ్ థింగ్ ఇస్ కాజల్. ఇక్కడ నేను పైన గ్రీన్ పెట్టాను కాబట్టి ఐ వాంట్ టు డూ గ్రీన్ కాజల్. సో ఐ హ్యావ్ 2 recommendations for you guys in kajal. One is definitely the Lakme Iconic Kajal. It's amazing. It's a steel product. It's 180 rupees ki. And the second thing is the Blue Heaven Soft Kajal. This comes in 2 pretty shades. One is this green, inkokati blue, pop blue, which I was talking about, the Lakme eyeliner alantade, but idi naadi black. So this is the green. This retails for 200 for 2 eyeliners, blue and green, so it's quite affordable. But idi smudge avutundi, chala fast ka. Lakme doesn't smudge, so it's a good thing. So it comes like this. So yeah, I'll apply it in my inner waterline, and yeah. So mana eyes makeup అయిపోయింది. Last lipstick and highlighter మిగిలిపోయింది. So guys, I am back with a completed look. I've put a bindi and these beautiful earrings which I've got from Amazon. You'll get all the links in description, don't you worry about that. So this is the completed look and I am in love with this look. I really wanted to change a little bit the lipstick color. Koncham a warm orange tone lo unte bagundi. I have one of that, but that is out of like more than 200, so I didn't want to use that. But however, this is quite okay for me. The pop of green here is really nice. I am really liking it. Like, I am in love with this look. It's very, basic, yet it's popping out. So I've used every product under 200, and a couple of them koncham like 250 lopale almost anni. So I really like the way it turned out, and many products meeku suggest chesanu ante I've been using them from long time and I know they work really well. If you makeup start chese, it's not necessary you need to buy big brands and you need to buy expensive stuff. Just start with small, start things, that is important. If you want to recreate this look, and if you did recreate, don't forget to tag me. You can get all my socials here and even the links in description, and don't forget to subscribe, guys. We are so close to 400 and I can't wait to celebrate with you guys when we hit the 400 subscribers mark. Yes, this is it for today's video, you all. If you enjoyed watching, don't forget to like, share, comment down what you want next, and subscribe. So in the next video, bye you all.